Hi, my name is PeeJ. Let me not waste your time. Today I'll be showing you how to get into your macro folder in Fusion. So the easiest way to do that is if you go to your effects library, grab a Fusion composition, drag it onto your timeline over here. Let's go inside it. So we're inside of Fusion. Once we're in Fusion, we're going to take two nodes and then put them together, and then we're going to create a macro with this. So let's highlight this, right click it, and then go up to macro, and then go to create macro right here. And then we can just hit close and then hit yes. And so now it's going to bring up your file explorer, and it should show you where your macro folder is, so you can either save that to your quick access, or you can see it over here, and then you can do whatever you need with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this folder I have with the free PeeJ pack tools into here, just like that, and it should be right there. And then so every time you do shift space into your Fusion, then you'll be able to access the nodes. For example, let's do the My Love VHS. I have 3 because I've installed it 3 times, but yeah, it used to be 2. So that's how that works. You can't access the macro folder that way. For Windows, if you want to access that folder, what you need to do is hit Windows R, and that'll bring up this little run command over here. Then you need to type %app_data%. Then you're gonna hit OK, and it's gonna open this folder over here. And then what you need to do is go to Blackmagic Design, then you go to DaVinci Resolve, down to Support, then go to Fusion, and then go to your macros folder over here, and then you can do the same thing, drag your folder into here, and it should show up in your macros bin, and you should be able to access it from Fusion. All right, I hope that helps.